Tesla Model Y 2025 review, a game changer in electric vehicles. Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into something truly exciting, the 2025 Tesla Model Y. Now, if you're familiar with Tesla, you know they never rest on their laurels, and this version is no exception. The Model Y has received a serious facelift, and let me tell you, it looks stunning. Imagine a vehicle that combines sleek lines with an aggressive stance. They've totally revamped the front end, introducing a fresh bumper design and striking LED lights that almost seem to light up the night sky. It's edgy, it's modern, and it screams Tesla. As we step inside, you'll notice they've elevated the interior's luxury game. The materials? Top-notch. Whether you're admiring the soft-touch surfaces or the new entertainment options in the back for your passengers, it feels high-end. Speaking of entertainment, bringing Netflix and gaming right into your car. That's insane! Not to mention, the rear entertainment screen keeps everyone engaged on those long trips. Now let's talk performance, because if you love speed, the Model Y doesn't disappoint. You can catapult from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just about 4.8 seconds. That's quick. And with the impressive range of up to 622 kilometers, long drives are no longer a hassle. This car is about performance as much as it is about comfort. There's something to be said about how Tesla has managed to balance tech and experience so well. They've made strides in sound insulation, reducing cabin noise by 20%, which means your serene driving experience is now even more peaceful. However, let's not ignore the buzz about the suspension. While they claim improvements, some are still hoping for a little more refinement in ride comfort. It's always interesting to see how such innovations keep evolving. In conclusion, the 2025 Model Y is not just a car. It's a statement of Tesla's commitment to pushing boundaries and continuing to make great strides in the electric vehicle sphere. So, whether you're a die-hard Tesla fan or someone curious about the electric vehicle revolution, the Model Y deserves your attention. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting car reviews to come.